Hi guys, John at Cowtown here today. We've got a really nice Platinum here to show you. It is available. 32-foot stock. It has three 7,000-pound axles, 14-ply tires. And you can see got your gate releases on the outside. Show you that from the inside here in a second. All aluminum. Does have a swing gate with a slider in it. Very simple. This one we did upgrade to have the WERM Floor in it. So it's got the WERM Floor all the way through. Two cut gates. And one thing I really like about their cut gates, you got stands for them to set on, so your gates aren't just wobbling in the breeze and bouncing up and down on the hinges. And also, when you close it, slam latch here, and it also sets on its own post right there. So no matter what position it's in, it's got that support. It's a lot easier on your stuff. LED lights all the way through. Calf gate up here. And it latches in place right up there if you want to keep it open. Keep it closed. Most of you know Platinum is a big name. They've got a good name, good history. Swing out step on the escape door here makes it that much easier to get in and out of. Spare tire and wheel. This one's ready to go. Give us a call, 573-885-6300, or go online at CowtownUSAINC.com. Again, this is a 2026 Platinum 32-foot stock trailer. Thanks, guys.